Today Mum is cooking something delicious. She is cooking Kachi Biryani. She marinates 1 kg of goat meat with 3 chopped and fried onions, half tablespoon of panchparan, 1 tablespoon of Garam Masala, 1 tablespoon of Jeera Powder, 1 tablespoon of chilli powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, half a tablespoon of ground mace, 2 tablespoons of garlic and ginger, 1 tablespoon of salt, green cardamom, black pepper, bay leaves, 6 or 7 cloves. She mixes the spices well and leaves it to marinate for at least 1 hour. She boils and then fries potatoes and eggs separately by adding turmeric powder. She then cooks the marinated meat in sunflower oil. She then cooks the rice in oil and adds onion, green chillies, garlic and ginger. Salt to taste and some raisins. She adds prunes. She adds ghee. She then adds the cooked goat meat and the potatoes and eggs. She adds water and rose water and leaves it to cook until the rice is cooked. Then it's ready to eat. Delicious!
Have you seen Mum's Kitchen?
Yeah, I have. I really love the channel. Us chickens have been on it a few times.
Make sure you tell everyone to like, share and subscribe.